Okay, now I want to believe that you are now able to see the screen. Is it clear?
Yes, we are able to see it.
Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Welcome back to this class. As earlier stated, we are going to look at a subtopic under the unit construction material, and we are going to focus on the bricks. So by the end of this lesson, we should be able to have attained the following objectives. One is to define and state the characteristics of the bricks. Objective number two is to identify the advantages of bricks. Number three, and the final one is state the functions of the brick. So to begin with, we are going to look at the introduction of the brick, define a brick as a rectangular block, practically used for building walls. It can also be defined as a substance made from clay, molded into envelope, and fired in a kiln or baked in the sun. Brick is also a durable material that has high compressive strength, compressive strength, making it suitable for use in construction and civil engineering projects as structural element. For a project including building, tunnels, walls, bridges, among others. Now, characteristics of a good brick. Let me hear your views. What do you think are the characteristics of a good brick? One,
It should be uniform in color, size, and shape.
good. One characteristics is should be uniform in color, size, and shape. That's good. Another characteristic, we can say it should be sound and compact. Should be sound and compact. Number three, another characteristic, number three is should not change in volume when wetted. Should not change in volume when wetted. Should not shrink, that is. Should maintain the shape. And then another characteristic,
We can say it should be flammable.
yes, it should be non-inflammable and incombustible. And the final one is should be soundproof. So those are some of the characteristics of a good brick. And should consider that while you are making it or you are buying a brick, should consider those characteristics for it to be good in your building. We now move to functions of the bricks. Functions of the bricks. One, what are some of the functions of the brick you know? Any trial? Shadrach. Shadrach. Mary Kipe.
Used in the construction of retaining walls.
Construction of retaining walls. Good. Another trial function of a brick. Dorcas.
We can say it is used in the construction of walls and sizes.
Yeah, construction of walls of any sizes. Another one is construction of floors. You use bricks for construction of floors. and also for construction of arches and cornices. So those are some of the functions of the brick, among others. We now move to advantages of using brick. And one of the advantage of using brick compared to other building materials is bricks are durable material and can last for long period of time. Number two, bricks is it is a fireproof and is able to withstand exposure to high temperatures. Another advantage is that does not require the application of pairs or other finishes for protection from the environment. It is dependable, that is. It is easy to handle and skilled trade people can construct with bricks. Another one is simple to work with because of its uniformity. In conclusion, we have been able to learn about uh, definition of brick, advantages, characteristics of good bricks, and advantages of using bricks compared to other construction materials. So to wind up, is there any question before I give out the assignment? No question. So the assignment that you should submit on the next lesson, go and look for disadvantages of using a brick. Disadvantages of using a brick. So thank you so much. Have a lovely evening.
Thanks.
Thank you.